Hey folks, I am Darren Ahearn. I am from REMAX Results right here in beautiful Frederick, Maryland. I've been in the real estate industry for well over 16 years as a full-time real estate agent, and my goal is to help buyers and sellers get what they want. This is my passion. I love this. Having a heart of a teacher has been my goal, to arm and equip buyers and sellers each and every day with one of the most complex transactions, biggest purchase you'll ever go through in your entire life. So I'm gonna be here each and every week with my new program that's called Housing 360, your update. It's gonna be tips and tricks on and off about how you can be prepared. The purpose of this entire program is for you. My goal is to bring you tips and tricks as buyers and sellers so that you know what's going on in the real estate world at all times, and what are some of the biggest pitfalls and issues and problems and cares and concerns and the craziness that happens in our world. I want to disseminate that so that you don't have to worry about that, so you are completely armed and dangerous with great content, great information coming straight to you. One of the fun things I like to do is just give away great stuff. Right now, I'm gonna give away a $50 gift card to your favorite restaurant. Who doesn't like to go out and eat and dine, right? And on April 15th, tax day, when Uncle Sam wants things from you, I'm gonna be coming to you live. All you have to do is something really simple. Grab that phone of yours, text me a message with your name, information, and where you love to eat the most. That number is 240-344-1713. Again, 240-344-1713. All right, folks, thanks so much for tuning in to your Housing 360. I'm gonna be here each and every week. All you need to do is thumbs up, like the video. You can share it with friends and others. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and ring that bell for future programs that I'm gonna be bringing you each and every week. Thanks so much for tuning in. We'll see you next time.